Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte EX Luxury Edition. The car has signal repeaters in the mirrors, aluminum alloy wheels, fog lights, sunroof, and a whole bunch of other features we're going to take a look at. That big green sign you see in the upper right hand corner of the window says the car is qualified under the Kia Canada Certified Pre-Owned program. When you're down here test driving the car, ask about the features and benefits of this program to the purchaser. Now as we get on the side of the car, see a sign in the driver's side window that says Sirius XM is on. The car comes with a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio for you to enjoy. Front door, we have power windows, locks and mirrors, and we also have a driver's memory seat with 2 positions. Rear cross traffic alert, heated steering wheel. On that steering wheel is also the audio and cruise controls. Car has 25,688 kilometers. And up above is the sunroof. Car also has a 2-liter engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. Your Sirius XM radio, push button start, and the climate control. We shipped into reverse. We have a backup camera. Down below, auxiliary and USB ports, heated leather seats, and a drive mode select. A shot of those leather seats. That driver's seat is powered, by the way. And we'll just pop open the trunk, and on our way back down the car, we'll take a look in the rear. The car comes with not only leather seats in the back, but also heated leather seats for your passengers' comfort. And going a little bit further back, we have a really large trunk back here for carrying luggage, sports equipment, any kind of outdoor equipment, groceries, anything you happen to need to carry. Picture that EX badging. So this little 2017 Kia Forte EX Luxury is located at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, and we're open Monday through Thursday 9 to 9, Friday, Saturday 9 to 6, Sunday 11 to 5. And the best way to make an informed decision about a car you're considering, if you're looking for a little sedan that offers comfort, convenience, and a lot of fun to drive, bring the family down. Come on down and see us. Right here at West Coast Kia.